morning everybody. I, Aryan, is going to show you emu and other birds. So now, I'll show you emu first. And I'll feed the emu also. You see how I'll feed. Now, the one which is here, the front is Suhana. This one is sitting over there. That is Mona. So now he'll show from where I'll get the leaves and feed. No finger, hands down. I have leaves. Two leaves. Now next leaf. This time also to finish like that. We are feeding. I don't think it will need lunch. Fast, come on. Come on. I think now it's lunch and dinner is over. No, it will late. It will. See? It's still eating. So now I'll show you other birds. See, I'm opening this. Actually, it was open before, but I closed. Now, see, these are one kind of cock, Spanish white color, and there's one pigeon over there. We are moving till there only. Whoa. It's a pigeon and it's a baby emu. And here's one duck. I mean not duck, some animal. I mean bird. And then I had showed you the duck video. This is the house of the duck. So, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.